Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to make a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A13. You can make a screenshot within almost any app. It doesn't matter if you're here on the home screen or if you are within an app like the settings or other apps. It can be that there are some apps like movie apps or so on where you cannot make screenshots, but in 90% of the cases a normal screenshot should work. And to make a screenshot, all we have to do is press the power button and the volume down button. And when we press them, you can see there's a little flash, and we can see here at the bottom there was shortly, and I'll do it again, a short symbol here at the bottom which goes away after 3 seconds. But the screenshot isn't gone. The screenshot is automatically here in my gallery, and here are my 2 screenshots I have just made, and I can click on them, and then I can click here on the edit button. And when I am in the edit button, I can do different things. I can crop, of course, my image, and I can change here a filter, and I can also draw something in my picture. I can do whatever I want to do. And then I can click on save, and he asked me save over original, and I say yes. You can also keep the copy with another option, but here you can see I have now saved my image. And you can also, of course, go to the use this function with the quick menu. So again I press here both buttons at the same time. When I'm here, I click directly on this button here, and then it goes to a slightly different edit menu, but also I can here crop it, and I can also do everything I want to do, and then I can save it in my gallery. It looks a little bit different, but at the end you can see it's also in your gallery. So it's pretty easy to make screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy A13. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.